Hello everyone, welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're taking a look into gold. So looking out from last week, we can see that we've had that huge push to the upside. We're still seeing that momentum creep back into the upside. We've had a little bit of a retracement towards the middle of the week. So we've seen that bearish move to the downside, but it's looking like it's recovering quite nicely due to the last three candles, which is ultimately pushing more towards the upside. So as we can see, prices nicely stepping up overall. We do have some structures changes on the daily and on the 4-hour time frame. So what I want to focus on for this week is just to see more progression towards the upside. And as long as price stays above this low of the market, we should be confident that price is now in a stage where price is capable of turning more towards the upside, which we are hopefully anticipating for the long run, to make a good amount of a bull run towards the upside. So as I was speaking before, we can start to see there's small time frames being structurally changed overall, and now we can see that price is going to push up. So where I'm anticipating for the first target is towards these zones here. So you can use these levels as guidelines for pretty much where you could expect to take profit from. So really what we need to do now is just wait for price action, and as it comes to these levels is to just really wait and see if we can get to each of one of these range bound zones, and see if we can meet the demand for it. So for now, again, now it's just pretty much a waiting turn, or pretty much a waiting idea. Because as I was mentioning before, where I do expect gold to go is towards the high, and that's to break the current high, so roughly at 2080, potentially heading into 2100. And we do have a lot of pips to gain here. So if I was to draw a pip count, so roughly just above 3000 pips. So again, there's a lot of pips to be made on this one. Excuse me. So again, this is now, this is totally up to you how you want to play it. So my advice, or what I would be doing, is essentially just trying to gain as much profits as I can along the way. I know that my long-term bias is to buy, but again, holding the trade is totally up to you. If you do want to hold a trade for this amount of time, do expect to see a lot of ups and downs, and like such as something like this along the way, and it's going to be quite difficult to hold. But as long as you trail your stop loss at the major swing lows, and get that right, then you should be okay to see this run and play out towards the upside. So yeah, that will be all from us with gold. Ultimately, as long as we stay above this low of the market, we should be able to see price progression towards these levels in the market. So this zone being the high, this one being at 1980, and this zone here being at 1880. So yeah, so that's pretty much all for this channel, or for this video rather. If you do have any other questions, feel free to let me know. We do have a trading group that you can join. That link is in the description also. And of course, I do appreciate your time for watching. So thank you very much for listening, guys, and we'll see you all in our next video.